Hi, so in this video, we'll be learning about how to interface an I2C LCD module with an Arduino Uno board and how to display various kinds of texts like just regular texts, moving texts, blinking texts, etc. So this is a circuit diagram. Since we have already interfaced our LCD with an I2C module, we just have four connections. One is the ground, which goes to the ground pin. One is the VCC, which goes to the 5 volts. This is the SDA pin, which goes to analog pin 4. And this is the SCL pin, which goes to analog pin 5. Once we have made all the connections just shown and connected our Arduino to our system, we need to find the number of I2C modules and find their addresses. So this is the scanner code, which scans the number of I2C modules and finds their address and displays them. So as soon as we run the code, we have to open the serial monitor, which will give you a hexadecimal value in the format 0x and some number. In my case, it is 0x27. So we have to remember that address. So this is the code to display basic text. We have to include two libraries here. One is the wire.h library and the other is a liquidcrystal.I2C library. So we can either manually type it out or go to Sketch, include library, and we include the wire library. In the case of the Liquid Crystal I2C library, I will give the link in the description below to download it. Once you have downloaded that, go to Sketch, include library, and include the zip file. Once you're done with that, you will find the library in the list of libraries here. So go ahead and add that. Now we're going to set a variable name for the I2C, which is going to be LCD, and we set the address, the number of columns, which is 16, and the number of rows, which is 2. Now under void setup, we're going to give lcd.begin to start the LCD. We're going to give lcd.backlight to switch on the backlight of the LCD. If you do not want to do that, we can simply change that to lcd.nobacklight. This will switch off the backlight and you'll get the text separately. Okay, we're going to modify that back now. Now we're going to give lcd.clear to clear everything. We're going to give lcd.setCursor, which will give the exact column and row position, which is 0 and 0, where the text should start. And now we are going to print connected. So this is the output here. As you can see, it's just going to show connected at the position 0, 0, where we had specified it. Now let's say we want to display something on loop. So this is the code which we are going to be using. So again, we are going to include the library, set the variables, put in the dimensions just the same as before. Now under the setup, we're just going to put lcd.begin and switch on the backlight. Now under the loop part, we are first going to clear everything, and then we are setting the cursor to the 0th column and the 0th row. So this particular function lcd.cursor is going to put a cursor after our text. So now I'm printing connected 1. So after this there's going to be a cursor. We're delaying it by 2 seconds, and then we are clearing everything previously. And we are setting the cursor to column 0, row 1. So it's going to print at the bottom row. Now I want no cursor, so I'm putting the no cursor function and then printing connected to and delaying it again by 2 seconds. And since this is the loop function, it's going to keep repeating over and over. So this is the output of the code. As you can see, it says connected 1. It has a cursor and then it goes to connected 2 after 2 seconds. Now let's say we want to blink the text displayed on the LCD display. We are going to include our libraries, set the variable, add the addresses as usual. Now we're going to put lcd.begin, switch on the backlight, and we're going to print the text blinking on the LCD under the setup. Now under the loop, we are going to put lcd.display, which is going to display it. We're going to delay that by 2 seconds. We're going to put lcd.noDisplay, which is going to stop displaying it and delay that by 2000, that is 2 seconds. So this is the output of the code. So here the text blinking at the delay of every 2 seconds goes on and off, which creates a blinking effect. So now this is the code you use if you want to move a particular text on the LCD screen. We include the libraries, set the variables, and under setup we put lcd.begin, we switch on the backlight, and then we print the text, moving text. Now under the loop section we are going to put lcd.scroll display left. This scrolls or moves the text towards the left side, and we delay this by half a second. If we want to change this movement to the right side, we just put scroll display right. So this is the output of the code. As you can see, the text is moving from right to the left as we put scroll display left. So that's all for the project today. All the codes are available in the description, and thank you.